Michael, how are you, mate?
Not too bad.
Good. Welcome aboard at Prepare to Pass, and you're flashing the peas up. Wow, are you excited or what?
Yes, I am.
So you've come across from Ingle Farm to see us here at Prepare to Pass?
Yep.
And tell us, what was the difference between what you were doing somewhere else and here?
It was definitely a lot easier because my instructor, he overcomplicated it, but he just made it a lot easier.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And you're able to understand everything?
Yeah, that's all fine now.
Yeah, you were. You did all your manoeuvres pretty good. A bit rusty at the start, weren't we? But we knocked onto them.
Up.
Yeah, got right into those manoeuvres for you and your road rules, etc.
Yeah.
And you really flied through the training. Mate, you're like a butterfly through there. That was fantastic, pal. Now, it's great to see the young guys moving on, and you obviously showed the examiner you're a pretty good driver too.
Yep.
So congratulations, mate.
Thanks.
What would you like to say to the other students who are wasting money?
Go to Prepare to Pass because it's a lot easier and you'd save a lot more money.
Yeah? I bet you wish you came here the first time.
Yeah, definitely. A couple of months should have gone here.
Yeah? Well, we've got to get the message out to the other students looking at this, so it saves them wasting time and money elsewhere,
Exactly.
eh? Good on you, mate. Thanks, Michael, and all the best, pal.
No worries.
Cheers.